those things, the order blocks, you search for them in this region here. Don't search for order blocks when the price is high there. No, search for it when it's here. Okay, so for us to make money with any assets, we have to know the way it moves. And any asset is either going to appreciate in value or it's going to depreciate in value. So let's see what happens when an asset is appreciating in value. We call it an uptrend. So this is how an asset is going to appreciate in value. And this is the most natural way in which the market will move. So this is an what? Uptrend. When an asset is what? Appreciating in value. But we also have when an asset is depreciating in value, and we call it a downtrend. And the downtrend is going to look like this. As simple as that. So why are we talking about these two downtrend, uptrend? Why are we talking about these two important aspects of the market? It's because we want to make money when an asset is appreciating in value. We also want to make money when the asset is depreciating in value. So how do you capitalize on this? I know of some people, I also use trend lines. So bring in your trend lines now. Very simple thing. You'll find this on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour time frames, even on the daily time frame. The only difference is that you have to know what type of trader you are. And so when someone is calling me and trying to book an appointment, you must know that I am not trying to sell you any course. We don't have any courses. What you are coming to do is you're coming to consult. The course, this is the course. So when you're watching the videos, you are learning. That's the course. When you call me, you are calling me to book for appointment so that I can help you one-on-one on your journey in the financial markets. So we were talking about the channel. And the channel is simple. How can you derive a channel from here? We know that this thing is appreciating in value and you want to buy for you to make money. So you are going to pull your trend line from here and here. Connect these 2 points like that. As simple as that. Okay. So you connect these 2 points like that. Connect the upper part also like that. Allow the what's happening now? Allow the points to touch. And then your opportunity will be derived as the market does what? Slowly comes back in this region here. Simple ascending pattern. This is why you're going to derive your buy opportunity. Because why? The asset is appreciating. On your downtrend, when something is depreciating in value, wow. When something is depreciating in value, you are going to go short in the market. If you have heard any investor terms or things like that, or if you have ever watched Wall Street movies, you hear them saying, investors are long on this asset. Investors are short on this asset. It's a bull market. It's a bear's market. So when something is depreciating in value, we are shorting the market. When something is appreciating in value, we are long in that market. We are bullish, okay? And we are bearish. So when the asset is depreciating in value, we do the same thing. Remember, this is what our ascending channel, right? We are having our opportunity in this price area. This is where we buy from and take our profit at the top of the channel. So we have these touches. Stay tuned, we'll explain this in future videos. It's an introduction for you to so that you may have questions. On Sunday we were to have our live session, but it was my birthday, so I was celebrating. But this Sunday we are going to do that, and I'm going to make sure that we answer as many questions as possible. So back to the downtrend, how to spot your sell. So here we are what? We are buying. So when you have your capital, you have your money in such a market condition, you are buying. In this condition, you are selling. The good thing about the Forex market is you can be both. You can be the buyer and you can be the seller. Also, that's why I love the Forex market so much. So when we are talking of the downtrend, that means we are looking for selling opportunities. And we are seeing the market push, breathe a bit, push. This is a decrease in price value. So what we are going to wait is we are going to wait for the markets to get back in this same area. And then in this same area, this is what we are going to do what? Look for our selling opportunities or shorting opportunities. Oh, we are short on the Nasdaq. We are short on Amazon. That's a stock now, okay? We are short on, let's say, okay, let's talk of something that we know. Lusaka Stock Exchange. So we will be short here. And then for our technical analysis, and you are training your eyes to see, for me, I'll just see pushes. I'll see first push, second push, third push. The opportunity is there. Use your trend line, come up with that important price pattern. The descending pattern is there. So that's your trend line. Trend line is a technical tool, trend line. The other side also, and then you'll be shorting the market in this price here, the downside. You take your profit on this price here. This is where you take your profits from. So when you enter your trade, you are entering in this price here. As soon as you see those beautiful rejections enter, those nice bearish pin bars, bullish pin bars, if you saw this on the 15-minute, on the 1 minute you're going to see something like a head and shoulders double bottom. You see that here. Same for the buying opportunity. You will see those nice patterns here. The people with the smart money concepts, all those things, the order blocks, you search for them in this region here. Don't search for order blocks when the price is high there. No, search for it when it's here. Okay, so short video and what I was thinking about, and a few things that are going to help you. For any asset class, this applies gold, silver, oil, currency pairs, the pound versus the dollar, USD JPY, USD CAD, VIX 75. Okay, the same thing applies over and over and over. The market is 90% technical, 95% technical, 5% fundamental. So if we know how the technicalities of the market work, it's easier for us to do what? To profit from the market. So summary, this is a descending channel, ascending channel. But the most important thing is for you to know the natural movement of the market, which is on an uptrend, the market will be doing what? Going to the upside. On a downtrend, the market will be doing what? Going to the downside. Downtrend simply means the market is depreciating in value. Uptrend simply means the market is what? Appreciating in value. So we are going to answer as many questions as possible, especially my Zambian people. I know this thing is new, so we need as many questions as possible from you. And let's handle this thing as a business. Risk what you can afford. I'm savvy, I'm going with 10% because I also even trade less. But if you are just getting started, risk 1%, even below than that. If you are too risky as a beginner, 2%, because some people, they are already risk takers, so they know how to approach risk. But this is what I had for you. Follow us. Remember, there are no courses at all. The only thing I'll do is give you consultation. I'll teach you this on the channel. I'll teach you this on social media. And then when you call me, when we are doing those appointments, that's when now I'm going to help you out to say, okay, where are you in your Forex journey? Where are you in the financial markets? What do you know? Where do you need improvements? How can we help you? And how can you see that you can also be able to make a profit from the financial markets? I think we can call it a day, and then I'll see you in the next one. Raised by Grace signing out. The Forex Market Gods. Peace.